Genetics and Genetic Engineering. Hi students, I am Adira S. Nair, TGT Science, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Annanagar, Chennai. Have you ever wondered why organisms give birth to similar organisms only? And in spite of similarities, the next generation is never exactly the same as their parents. Why is this so? Well, all the answers are found in the mysterious box of genetics. Genetics is a branch of biology that deals with heredity and variation. William Batson coined the term genetics. The transmission of traits from parents to offspring is called heredity. The occurrence of differences among the individuals of a species, we can call it as variation. As you know, chromosomes are thread-like structures packed inside the nucleus of a cell. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and protein. DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms. DNA molecule is a long coiled double helix that resembles a spiral staircase. Gene is a segment of DNA that provides the code to construct a protein. A chromosome contains many genes. Branches of genetics. Broadly, there are three branches of genetics that are classical genetics, population genetics, and molecular genetics. Classical genetics. It is the oldest discipline in the field of genetics. Classical genetics has its origin in Gregor Mendel's papers on inheritance in pea plants. Gregor Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Population genetics. It deals with genetic differences within and between populations, and it is a part of evolutionary biology. Molecular genetics. Molecular genetics deals with the structure and activity of genetic material at the molecular level. Molecular genetics is a thrilling subject to study. Molecular genetics is about unlocking the secrets of how our DNA, genes, and genome control all living processes. It helps us to better understand human biology in health and disease. Molecular genetics relies heavily on genetic engineering. What is genetic engineering? Genetic engineering is also called genetic modification or genetic manipulation. Genetic engineering is the process by which an organism's genetic material is altered to eliminate undesirable characteristics or to produce desirable new characteristics. Genetically modified organisms or GMO, or we can call them as transgenic organisms. GMOs, that's an animal, plant or microbe whose DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. That animal, plant or microbe, we can call it as GMO or genetically modified organism. Genetic engineering has applications in medicine, research, industry, and in agriculture. One such genetically engineered crop is golden rice. What is golden rice? GR or golden rice is genetically modified in order to produce beta carotene in the endosperm of grain. Beta carotene is not normally produced in rice. Beta carotene is converted into vitamin A when metabolized by the human body. The one animal, that is one mosquito, that is genetically engineered mosquito, that we can call it as dead end mosquitoes. It is a genetically modified male Aedes aegypti mosquito. As you know, Aedes aegypti mosquitoes are responsible for dengue fever. That is, female mosquitoes are responsible. Here, dead end mosquitoes are genetically modified male Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. These male mosquitoes will mate normally with the female mosquitoes, but their offsprings will not survive into adulthood. Thereby, we can control the population of female Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. The purpose of this genetic modification is to eliminate the spread of dengue fever. We can say that genetics loads the gun, but the lifestyle pulls the trigger. Genetics loads the gun, the lifestyle pulls the trigger. Yes, many diseases such as heart diseases and diabetes are caused by issues with multiple genes in combination with lifestyle and environment. That is, there is a clear-cut relationship between our genes and our lifestyle in developing a particular disease. Why is studying genetics important? The study of genetics can be intellectually fascinating, but it also has plenty of practical applications. Human genetic research generates knowledge with the potential to improve individual and community health. Research can also reveal information about the individual's susceptibility to diseases. Thank you.